It is important to select a theoretical framework when designing an improvement project such as this. The theoretical framework acts as a guide, and it also supports the plan as well during the process. There are two theories that best fit this project. These are the health belief model and the Roy's diffusion of innovation models. The health belief model is a conceptual framework used in health behaviors. It is used to explain the change and maintenance of health related behaviors, and it's used as a guide for health behavior interventions. Self efficacy is one of the concepts of the health belief model. Alex Bandura defines self efficacy as the conviction that one can successfully execute the behavior required to produce outcomes. For a behavior change to succeed, people must feel themselves competent to overcome the perceived barriers to taking action. Thus, there is a likelihood of behavior change when the patient have access to a program that provides knowledge and understanding of the disease and its interventions, as well as access to a team um, that will coach, guide, provide reinforcement, and also a team that assists with breaking down the patient's real or perceived barriers. The diffusion of innovation theory. Um, Innovation is an idea, practice, or object that is perceived new by the individual, while diffusion is a process by which an innovation is communicated to maximize the exposure and reach of the innovation strategies or programs. There are five stages of the process of diffusion. However, I will concentrate on these two. First is the innovation development, and this includes all the decisions and activities that occur during the early stages up to the time of the development and and production of the new idea. Um, the users of the innovation must play a major role in the design and functions of the new product or new idea. The design must be user friendly to increase the adoption of the innovation. Second stage is the adoption itself. This is the uptake of the program by staff and patients. This will Adoption is influenced by three types of knowledge: the awareness knowledge, meaning that the person is aware that the innovation exists, um, and the procedural knowledge, which is about how to use the innovation, and the principles knowledge is the person's understanding of how the innovation works. And so, as you can see in the next slide, I will explain how the inputs and the outcomes are related by using these models that I have chosen.